Windows throws device or resource busy when you try to delete files still held by a process, even after context managers exit. Here's how to kill that error dead. Imports the temporary directory context manager from the tempfile module, enabling creation of a temporary directory that is automatically deleted upon exiting its context block. Imports the path class from the pathlib module, providing an object-oriented interface for file system paths and operations. Attempts to import OS as a submodule of pathlib, which is invalid because OS is a top-level standard library module not nested under pathlib. This line is erroneous and will raise an import error at runtime. Creates a temporary directory using TemporaryDirectory, assigns its absolute path string to tempdir, and enters a context manager block ensuring the directory is removed after the block completes. Uses the path constructor to build a path by joining tempdir with the file name temp.txt, storing the resulting path object in p. Writes the string hello to the file referenced by p, creating it if it does not exist, and overriding any existing content. Checks whether the path p refers to an existing file or directory using the exists method and prints the Boolean result. Removes the file at path p if it exists, using the unlink method with missing_ok set to true to prevent errors when the file is absent. Rechecks existence of path p and prints whether the file still exists after being unlinked. Tries to create a new directory at tempdir using OS, makeDirs with exist_ok true, but tempdir is undefined in this scope because it was scoped only within the context manager block. Even if it were accessible, recreating the directory after the context exits defeats the purpose of temporary directory. Path.unlink, missing_ok equals true, safely deletes the file, even if the OS lags releasing handles. Subscribe for daily coding videos.